What's up guys, today I want to show you how to unhide the mobile hotspot option on your iPhone or iPad. This happens usually with the recently reset of your iPhone or iPad, and as you can see here, even on the control center you can turn on the mobile hotspot because the icon is hazy, and even if you touch it, it doesn't respond. Coming into the settings, you can see here on the second section that where you usually see the mobile hotspot icon is not visible anymore. So to fix this, you need to click on mobile service, then on second section you see the fifth option written mobile data network. Click on it, then you see two sections, first one for mobile data, the second for personal hotspot. On the option of mobile data, you will see the first option written APN or access point name, in which you enter the details of APN of whoever your network provider is. In my case it's Vodacom, so I'm gonna write Vodacom internet. Then on username you write whatever you want anyway, but I'll write Vodacom. Then on password you write password of your option. I write 1 2 3 4 5 6. Then down on the second section you see the personal hotspot section. You have to enter the personal hotspot access point name, username and password. In this case you can write whatever you want, but I'm gonna repeat the same information I filled on the above section. So Vodacom internet, username Vodacom, and password 1 2 3 4 5 6. Then you click on back. After going back, you can either see the option of hotspot right there, or you have to restart your device to see the mobile hotspot option. In my case, I have to restart the device, so here I'm restarting. Okay, here after restarting the device, I'm going back to setting. Then you can see that the option of mobile hotspot is visible there, and I have to turn on the mobile data option. For turning on the mobile data option, you can see that on the control center I can be able to turn on the mobile hotspot option, and it's green. So you can go on and hotspot your other devices as you want. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, you may consider leaving a like or leaving a comment, and I would really appreciate if you would subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss other updates and tips like this. Thank you.